Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Begin by identifying the key and tempo. The arrangement is in a minor, and I recommend 92 BPM on a metronome. Print the 2-page score, mark repeat signs, accents, and dynamics with a pencil, and underline tricky rhythms. Sit so your right hand rests around E4 G4 A4 and your left hand around A2 E3. This establishes comfortable reach for the melody and bass. Spend 10 minutes on hand stretches, and check pedal technique. Light sustain for legato, 2-finger pedaling for quick changes. Work hands separately. Start with the right hand melody in 4-bar phrases and play each phrase slowly at 60 BPM, repeating 8 times while focusing on phrasing and legato between E4 and A4. Then, isolate the left hand accompaniment, practicing broken fifths and occasional octaves with steady quarter note pulse at mezzo forte. Spend extra time on the middle section from measure 16 to 24. Correct fingerings, so transitions use fingers 1-3-5 on leaps. Use a metronome, start combining hands at 72 BPM, focusing on alignment of melody and bass. Play through slowly and stop to correct mismatches. Once you complete 3 clean runs, raise the metronome by 4 BPM and repeat until you reach 92 BPM. Use the sustain pedal sparingly. Changing on chord changes every 1 to 2 beats to avoid blurring. Record a full run-through to evaluate balance and phrasing, then refine dynamics, accents, and rubato. Finish by playing the piece twice in performance tempo for confidence.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.